Are you curious about this card holder and reader? This thing looked really cool. We are going to Africa on a safari, and I need to carry a lot of memory cards and be able to download them into my computer so that I can talk with you guys from Africa. Did a lot of research, and I came to this as my best answer. So why did I decide to go with this? Number one, I love the rubberized housing. This casing is really nice. It happens to come with this cool kind of titanium looking carabiner. That's really nice. But the functionality is really cool. So let me show you. You simply pop it out. And the key things are you have a microSD and an SD card reader here. But how do you attach them to the computer? Look at this. It's got a built-in USB-C connection, again, for the microSD and SD card. And then as I was telling you, and I love the way it just tucks away and actually locks in there, snaps in place. Then one of the key features for me is you can carry 6 extra microSD cards with this, which most of them don't hold that many. And listen, the real world is most of us are using microSD cards now. We're not using these big old SD cards. I still do use SD cards for some cameras, but most of my cameras are microSD. So having those 6 spots to carry the microSD card was really a game changer for me in terms of making a decision. And you can also do the 4 SD cards as well. I think that's fabulous. Right here, I've got the card reader, a supply of cards, as well as it's protected in this rubberized housing. So if you're looking for a cool card reader for your next adventure, I think this is a really great choice. There's a link here on the screen or down there in the description. Either one works the same way, and neither one costs you any extra money to use. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see that adventure from Africa. And if you have any questions about this, I'm happy to let you know how it's been going for me. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.